Older homes have a charm and character that many homeowners truly appreciate, but they can also come with unique challenges, especially when it comes to windows. Drafts, outdated materials, and inefficient designs are common issues that can affect comfort and energy costs. For homeowners in Coppell, finding the right window installation solutions is key to preserving your home's character while improving performance and efficiency. One of the first challenges with older homes is that window openings may not be standard sizes. Over time, structures can shift slightly, and original construction methods may differ from today's standards. This makes precise measurement essential. Professional window installers take detailed measurements and customize solutions to ensure a perfect fit. This eliminates gaps and ensures your new windows perform as intended. Another important consideration is maintaining your home's original aesthetic. Many older homes in Coppell feature unique architectural styles that homeowners want to preserve. Fortunately, modern windows come in a wide range of designs that can match or complement traditional looks. Whether you prefer classic wood finishes or updated materials that mimic historic designs, you can upgrade your windows without sacrificing your home's character. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest reasons homeowners choose to replace windows in older properties. Older windows often lack proper insulation, allowing air to leak in and out. This makes it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and can lead to higher energy bills. New windows are designed with advanced features such as double or triple pane glass and low-E coatings, which help regulate indoor temperatures. In Coppell, where temperatures can vary throughout the year, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference in comfort. Another common issue in older homes is air drafts. These drafts can make rooms feel uncomfortable and force your HVAC system to work harder. Professional window installation includes proper sealing and insulation around the frame, which helps eliminate these drafts. This creates a more consistent indoor environment and improves overall comfort. Structural integrity is also an important factor when installing new windows in older homes. Over time, window frames and surrounding materials may weaken due to moisture or wear. Before installation, professionals assess the condition of the existing structure and make any necessary repairs. This ensures that your new windows are securely installed and supported for long-term performance. Noise reduction is another benefit many homeowners notice after upgrading their windows. Older windows typically do little to block outside sounds, which can be especially noticeable in active neighborhoods. Modern windows with multiple panes and improved insulation help reduce noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor space. Another key advantage of updated window installation is improved functionality. Older windows can be difficult to open, close, or lock properly. New windows are designed for smooth operation and enhanced security, making your home more convenient and safe. Features like easy-to-use locks and durable hardware provide added peace of mind. Moisture control is especially important in older homes. Poorly sealed windows can allow water to seep in, leading to issues like mold, mildew, or wood damage. Proper installation techniques, including flashing and sealing, help prevent moisture intrusion and protect your home from long-term damage. In addition to performance benefits, new windows can significantly improve your home's appearance. Clean lines, updated frames, and clear glass enhance both the interior and exterior of your property. This can boost curb appeal and even increase your home's value, making it more attractive if you decide to sell in the future. Finally, working with experienced professionals ensures the entire process goes smoothly. From selecting the right window style to completing the installation, expert guidance helps you make informed decisions and achieve the best results. In the end, upgrading windows in older Coppell homes is about more than just replacing old materials. It's about enhancing comfort, efficiency, and long-term value while preserving the charm that makes your home unique. With the right installation solutions, you can enjoy the best of both worlds: classic appeal and modern performance.